Hi, folks. This is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of July 10th, 2012. Hope everybody's staying warm enough out there. The charts I use come from the Trade Navigator software. And the first chart is a weekly bond market. Bonds have gone sideways for basically an entire month here, and they seem to be moving out to the upside. Now, normally you would expect a move to be breaking out strongly. They'd pop up. Well, they're kind of grinding their way up, which concerns me and makes me think they might turn back down. They're fighting in the 151 area here. There is more resistance up around 152.20. Support is approximately 148.28. The way they're grinding, it certainly looks like they could at least go that low, if not lower. But let me just caution you about this. They're so high priced and they just look tired up here. But all of this sideways is taking place completely above all of these highs for literally the last year or so here. That's a very bullish pattern. If they do go higher here, I'm just not sure how high they could go. I mean, 200, is that possible? I think that would take some sort of economic collapse, but I'm just kind of cautioning you to don't get married to the idea that they're too high and they have to come down here. Boy, they could go up an awfully long ways from here. Not sure they will. I just want you to realize that they could. Now in stocks, we have a situation here where they've opened lower, and I really thought they would go above 1360 and hit this resistance here. It's about 1362. They have not done that. They've opened lower and just seem to be on their way down. They broke below the 1342 area here and are looking rather weak, looking like they want to go to 1320. Heck, they might go to down to the 1300 area, 1260, and I actually think they'll reach all of these areas eventually. In fact, I think they'll probably take out at least these lows from back here in 2011, if not these lows all the way back down here. I think they'll do that eventually, possibly before October is over this year. But for now, I still get the feeling that they're not quite done here. Like they might try to retest this high again. And again, if they don't, 1320, 1300, 1260, all of those are in play. They could go down easily. But they've kind of maybe broke down a little too hard so far this week, and it wouldn't surprise me to see them bounce back up a little bit. But again, the big picture looks kind of down to me. So if they do rally up, I think that'll be a tremendous selling opportunity. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into, and I hope you can find something to keep you relatively cool. Thanks for checking in with us. We'll try this again next week, maybe.